welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Summer Maphumulo and I am so excited to be back on your screens. I'm actually buzzing with excitement. You guys, I want to thank you so much for your love and your support. And if this is your first time here, do the right thing, like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel because it's the right thing to do. Now you guys, I'm super excited because I look so different and this is like the first time ever I'm doing this type of hair, you know, the color, short hair and everything. So I'm super excited. I got this hair from DragonCity. You can go check them out on Instagram, and also don't forget to go follow me on Instagram at Summer Maphumulo. So you guys, comment down below and let me know what you think. I love it so much. It's so different, completely out of my comfort zone. It's very different, and that's what I love about it. So yeah, you guys, so stick around and watch how I got this look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. Now again, do the right thing, like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel because it's the right thing to do. See you on the next one.